Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show you how to make toffee syrup. To begin, gather your ingredients. You'll need 1 cup of granulated sugar and 1/2 cup of water. Also, have ready 1/4 teaspoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Finally, ensure you have 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter. These simple items are all you need to create a delicious, rich toffee syrup right in your own kitchen. Let's get started. Now, let's start cooking. In a medium saucepan, combine your 1 cup of sugar, 1/2 cup of water, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Place the pan over medium heat, stirring gently until all the sugar has completely dissolved. Once dissolved, stop stirring. Allow the mixture to boil steadily without interruption until it reaches exactly 320 degrees Fahrenheit on a candy thermometer. This precise temperature is key. Once your syrup reaches 320 degrees Fahrenheit, remove the saucepan from the heat right away. This stops the cooking process. Immediately stir in the 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter and the 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract until everything is smoothly combined. The butter adds richness, and the vanilla provides that classic toffee flavor. Carefully pour the hot syrup into a clean, heat-proof container to cool down completely. Once your delicious toffee syrup has cooled completely, transfer it to an airtight container. You can store it in the refrigerator, where it will stay fresh and ready to use for up to 2 weeks. This versatile syrup is perfect for coffee, desserts, or even drizzled over ice cream. Before you go, make sure to check the description below for a link to a fantastic book that could truly change how you think about money, plus other great deals. Enjoy your homemade toffee syrup.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.